Recording the sewer line here at 625 West Nickerson, dates November 30th, 2020. Making the recording from the clean out installed by Bob Oates up here near the laundry room on the south side of the building. The camera is currently out underneath the street. We again came out and tried to clean out this section of pipe using the jetter, some chain cutter heads, cable machine. Unable to get any flow down here. We're underwater in sewage. You're going to see as I come back here, eventually we pop out of this right there. So concrete 6-inch diameter pipe, pretty heavy grade coming through here, so it's diving pretty good. This is located out underneath the sidewalk right at about the curb line down on Nickerson Street. Not this spot, but where the camera just was all the way down, was at about the sidewalk. That's as far as I could push the camera. Coming back, we're coming into plastic pipe. Not installed by Bob Oates. This was somebody else's install. Coming back up through this plastic, and you've already seen this section. I've did a video of this before. Just wanted to take an updated video now that we've had the repair up by the laundry room completely done here. So coming back into 6-inch concrete. This is up near the corner of the garage. And here we're coming into the Bob Oates work finally. So 6-inch concrete coming into this 6-inch plastic. This 6-inch plastic pipe was installed to repair that back-rated section of pipe where we had a large section of back-rated pipe. So 6-inch diameter coming back into 4-inch. You've seen some of this already. The rest of it is new. And there's the clean out. Add in the video there.